You can't get it in. It's gonna be harder getting out.
That's what she said. Come on, Mike.
Is it roomy? Oh my god.
I can do this.
Your parents are gonna come out here and be like, "Oh my
I
god."
got it. Okay. How do
Now
I go?
drive.
I can't.
Oh my god.
Ow, a splinter. Crap. I have a splinter now.
Let's get an all-angle
Alright,
view.
someone move me. Push me.
PJ. You ready?
Oh my god.
Wait, I can't. Alright, go. Go.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh, crap. Oh,
Oh my god, did I run over your leg?
yeah, like 5 times. How do I get out of it? How did I get into this? Okay. Now the real challenge is getting out.
I tried to tell you.
This is a show to turn the chair around and actually watch.
Alright, I did it.
Yay! He's out!
My God. Ow. I
Do
need
the
to shoot it. Alright.
do the dance. Do the dance!
I need music. Fine.
I don't have music.